Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Deriv Broker to MetaTrader 5. To begin, open the MetaTrader 5 app on your device. Make sure the platform is fully loaded before moving on, so all the menu options appear correctly and you can follow along without interruptions. Once MetaTrader 5 is open, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This menu gives you access to several setup and account options, including the one you need to connect a broker account. If you do not immediately see the full menu bar, take a moment to maximize the app window. From the File menu, click on Open an Account. This will bring up the broker search window, where MetaTrader 5 lets you find and connect to supported trading servers. This is the area used for linking your broker account to the platform. In the search field, type Deriv. Be sure to spell it correctly so the platform can return the relevant broker server results. After entering it, wait a moment for the results to load. Depending on your connection speed, this may happen instantly or take a few seconds. When the search results appear, click on the Deriv result that matches what you need. Selecting the correct server is important because your login details will only work if they are entered on the right broker server. If there are multiple similar options, carefully choose the one associated with your account. After selecting the result, click Next to continue. This moves you from the broker search stage to the account login stage, where you will connect your existing account details to MetaTrader 5. Now enter your login details in the fields provided. This typically includes your account login ID, password, and the appropriate server if it is requested on this screen. Take your time here and double check everything before proceeding, since even a small typing error can prevent the connection from working properly. Once your details are entered correctly, MetaTrader 5 should connect your Deriv Broker account and allow you to access it through the platform. If the connection does not work on the first try, review the information you entered and confirm that you selected the correct Deriv server earlier in the process. And that's it. You have now gone through the steps to connect Deriv Broker to MetaTrader 5. Follow each screen carefully, and you should be ready to use your account within the platform.